I can hear the south wind moan. Bridges getting lower, all the shrimp boats coming home. The old man down in the corner slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on the Ponce train, underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June. The high black water, a devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. But nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Chicago, gonna set that levee right. Need the wind that leaves it 3 feet high, a one make it through the night. But the old man down in the corner said, don't you listen to that boy. Water be down by the morning, they get me back to Illinois. I was born in the rain on the Ponce train, underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hot, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. 30 miles in the Gulf Stream, I can hear the south wind moan. Bridges getting lower, all the shrimp boats coming home. The old man down in the corner slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. What'd he say, Knoxville?